Okay, this is honestly insane. So in just 19 lines of code, I'm able to just to have a fully local AI conversation. So just have a look at this. Just click here, click record. Hey Gemma, how are you?
Hey there. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Just powering through some data.
Okay, just stop it. So this whole thing ran in my local machine, in my local MacBook. So both the STT text generation and text to speech, all done in my local machine and in real time. So this is unbelievable. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can just set it up yourself and just try it yourself, because honestly, this is crazy. You can do so many things with this. You can have a local AI machine that you can fully control, that is just private to you. No data will be leaving your machine. So this is amazing. Okay, and I'm gonna make it real easy for you to just set it up yourself in your machine, because I've prepared this GitHub repo with all the instructions, and also I'm gonna just replicate it with you. And the only thing that you need actually is just a MacBook machine with a silicon chip, because otherwise it's not gonna be able to run all these models locally. So at least a M1 chip. I think that should suffice. So in my case, it's just an M3 chip. And you just need two other programs running. So you need UV for the Python installation and the dependency management. So for that, you just need to do brew install UV, and also Ollama to run the actual LLM models. So in this case, I'm running the Gemma models from Google. And again, you just brew install it in your machine, and that's it. And if you don't know what Ollama is, you can just test it like this, right? So once you have installed, you can have a conversation with an LLM, or the smallish LLM in your machine. So right now I can say, hey, hello. And this is just the answer from an LLM, super fast in my machine, right? Because these models have been so well optimized, and Ollama is just amazing, right? So with this, we are going to be able to power the text generation of this stream voice application. And that's it. So I've prepared all the instructions here for you. So as I said, if you don't have Ollama and UV, you just need to install it. So if you have Ollama and UV already installed in your machine, you just need to git clone this repo and just follow a couple more things. So let me just create a test directory. So I can just test there, and then I can just copy that here. So I can just do the git clone. All right, so that worked. I can just do cursor local voice AI agent. So this is going to open a cursor instance right there. And what I want to do right now is I want to start the virtual environment. So you do that by doing UV-venv. So you just click on that. That creates the virtual environment in your local machine. Now, something that I like to do is usually select this interpreter and now exit. And now this virtual environment is now set up on cursor on your or VS Code or whatever your IDE you're using. So once you have that, you just need to do UV sync. So this is going to sync up. So this is going to install all the dependencies, which aren't much. I think only 4 dependencies. And that's it. Now you're going to be able to run the script that I showed you in the beginning, which has just 19 lines, super simple. And I have another script that is a bit more advanced. So I just added this system prompt so that I make sure that the model doesn't use any emojis or things like that, because since it's going to be a voice, right, it's going to be a voice interaction, those emojis are not going to be able to be synthesized. And I just made it as well. So I created this argument parser so that you can even have a conversation via your phone. I'm not going to be able to demo that in this video, but I'm going to do another video, a bit more advanced video, in which, well, let me know also in the comments if you are interested in that. Otherwise, maybe I won't do it. But the whole idea is that I want to create a video in which I explain to you how you can set up a phone line with Twilio and just have a conversation via your phone with an LLM that is running on your machine. So and also the STT and TTS. So that is going to be a longer video that I want to do in the future. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you want me to doing that. And yeah, honestly, that's it. So once you have these setups, you just need to do Python local voice chat.py. This is gonna So the very first time it's gonna download the STT model and the TTS model. So the TTS model that I'm using is the Kokoro model. That sounds amazing. And also the STT model that is going to be using is the Moonshine. It's also lighter than Whisper and it works pretty well. And that's it. And yeah, also like for the model that I use, the model used for the text generation, I'm using the Gemma family of models. So there's the 4 billion and I'm also using the 1 billion, which is even faster, right? So it's smaller, so not as smart, but faster. And just the very first time that you're running this, since you need to download all the weights of the model, it takes a bit more time. I think these are warnings that only happens in the very first time that you try it. But yeah, once this is all done, what it's doing is, I think I'm running this script, yes. So what it's doing is using the FastRTC library from Python, which is a new library developed by the team of Hugging Face for kind of like real-time voice interactions and also video interactions, so it's amazing. And they just made it very simple. So you create a stream class, and then you just select UI launch, and this is gonna launch a Gradio application, and then that's it. So you can just access the mic, click record. Hey Gemma, how are you today?
Please provide me with the context. I'm doing well, thank you for asking. As a large...
So yeah, please provide me with the context. So I think in this case, right, so we're running this simple .py file. So this doesn't have the system prompt that I told you before. So I think it's going to be a bit better if we just go and do this advanced. So if we go with the advanced script, so this is going to be using a slightly smarter model, which is the 4 billion size. And also we have now a system prompt that tells the model that, hey, you are on a web RTC call, so you don't want to, you don't want to include emojis or special characters in your answers because everything is going to be synthesized, right? So now let's just listen if this works. Hey, can you tell me what is the capital of Spain?
A classic question. The capital of Spain is Madrid. It's a vibrant city brimming with art, history, and delicious tapas. Would you like me to tell you a little more about it? Perhaps about the Prado Museum or the Royal Palace?
Okay, let me just stop that. And also I have added logs in this more advanced script so that you can see the transcript as it's happening. You can see the transcript if it did it well, also the text generation. And that's it really. So in this video, I just wanted to show you how you can create completely local voice agents right now. So this can serve you now as the base for you to do it, because this is still not an agent, because we are not using any tools, or the model is actually only just using the transcript to generate an answer. So it's not really an agent. So for this to be an agent, it would need to have kind of like the React framework. So it should be able to use an observation or use this conversation to act, right? And this action is usually just running a tool. So this is still not done here, but you can do it easily. So again, if you want me to explain you how you can do that from this, just let me know in the comments as well. And if you're new to this channel, I think you should check out this video over here, because in this video I show you the potential of having a voice AI agent. So in that one, I use the real-time API from OpenAI. But now with these initiatives like FastRTC, you are even able just to control everything and just to have it on your machine, which is very powerful. And if you got to this part of the video, I would appreciate a lot if you can just give it a like and also subscribe to be updated and to keep seeing videos like this on voice AI agents.